To remove the door panel, it's really easy. Just only a few screws and this clips. It's really common. If you broke some, you can buy online on eBay. There is too many. So there is some surrounding. You see, up, missing one here. There is here, and down. Also, really easy. Remove the door panel. There is 4 screws. One here. This one is longer than the other one. One here, and also one here behind the reflector. Okay. An old number plate. For what? To remove the clips on the door panel. Like this. Because it's a larger surface to remove the clip, and it's less dangerous for the door panel than the screwdriver, like this. That's it. Remove the door lock with the 2 screws, one here, and one here. Okay. To remove the door mechanism, you must unscrew these three screws, and for that I use Torx, screwdriver Torx. See, I don't know the size. Just to show you how the door cable is fit inside the door, the door panel. It's only to show you, okay? So you must remove and fit back after, but from inside the door panel. Okay? It's only to show you. So you must do that. Just to show you how it's fit. And it's difficult to film from inside the door panel. See? So I prefer to show you from outside, but you must fit from inside the door panel. Obviously, as you see, the door mechanism. Okay. This cable is the door lock, the door handle from inside. So we must remove. So I use an electrician screwdriver, and just you pull up like this, and up. It's removed from here. And after, you see, we must remove this. It's not easy to handle, to hold the cell phone. Sorry. There is only 3 screws to hold the door mechanism. After you can remove by this hole, but as I shown you a bit earlier, you must remove the exterior door handle cable from inside. Okay, when it's removed, you can also remove the interior door cable from outside, from this hole. It will be easier to remove. Okay, there is enough cable to remove from here. Okay, but I repeat, the door cable, the outside door cable, you must remove from inside. Okay. You see how to fit the exterior door cable. See, I don't know if it's obvious, but first of all you put here, see, and after you must lock inside this. See, that's it. It's a bit easy. Voilà, c'est fait. Now the door lock. You push inside. There is a hole. You push inside, okay? And after you push again until it's locked. See? That's it. Really easy. And of course to remove, same. So I use the screwdriver to push up like this. It's easier to remove, and it's prevent to make pain to the plastic. Okay. Okay, plug and unplug the electric wire. You cannot make a mistake because there is only one way to fit. Yes, to fit. That's that way. Okay. Just you push. That's it. Uh-oh, it's broken. Uh-oh, it's okay. Never mind. Okay. See? It's broken. Never mind. Here is the new door mechanism. It's an original BMW. But you can find from aftermarket a bit. It could be really cheaper. So this is okay. Let's fit now. When you remove the old door mechanism, never forget to remove this plastic part because it's really indispensable on the new door lock. If ever you forgot and you throw this, you cannot put back the exterior door handle. So really don't forget to keep it. And also you must to take this cable holder from the old door mechanism because it's not provided with the new unit. So don't forget also to take this cable holder before you throw the old unit. Okay. So now we must to put back the hook here. Hope you can see well. It's a bit easy. Just you put inside. See? And you turn a little. See? Okay, now you push here to lock the cable like this, and after you can close here. That's it. And also for this door lock, it's come through the door panel when it's, you see, it's going out from the door panel. So you must to remove, and you must to fit also from inside the door panel. Okay, it's really easy. Just you press this little corner on this. Okay, clack. Just you press and you pull up to remove. Okay, from inside. So now it's time to put it back inside the door panel, and it's this way. Okay, like this. The plug for the electric wires on the back. Okay, this way. Okay, now we will put the 3 screws here just to hold the motor, the door handle, the door mechanism. Sorry, I love my English. Okay, just to Okay, like that we can put the cable quietly without holding from one hand. Like that we can work from inside better. Now the door lock, you push inside, there is a hole, you push inside, okay, and after you push again until it's locked. See? That's it. Really easy. And of course to remove, same. So I use the screwdriver to push up like this. It's easier to remove, and it's prevent to make pain to the plastic. Okay, that's it. It's fit. The door, the exterior door cable, the inside lock, the electric wire, and now we can put back also the door handle with the tweeter speaker. Okay, see, there is a plug here to avoid mistakes. See, okay, now it's time to try opening, close, opening, yes, oops, voila, and now we try the remote. Voila, it works. Yes. So first of all, put the door lock. And that clips will fit here. And after you push the door panel and the clips up.